Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you how to change boot settings in Windows 11. On dual boot systems, you truly have two separate installations of operating system on one computer. If you are running Windows 11 with other version and you want to change the boot settings, follow these steps. Click on the Start menu, then select Settings. Click on System. Select About below. Click on Advanced Settings. On the System Properties, select on Advanced tab, then under the Startup Recovery, click on Settings. On the default operating systems under the Startup, select which version you want to load during the startup. Under the Time to Display list of operating systems, set a new timeout value to set how long the user must wait before the default OS boots automatically. After changing the settings, click OK to save it, then click OK again. This covers how to change boot settings in Windows 11. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.